Imagine ordering coffee in Amsterdam. How do you say, I want? You use a modal verb. Today, we learn 4 modal verbs. They are kunnen, mogen, moeten, willen, can, may, must, and want. In English, we say, I can swim. Dutch works in a similar way. But there is one special rule. The second verb goes to the end. Laten we beginnen. Let us begin. First verb. Kunnen. It means can. Ik kan goed zwemmen. I can swim well. Notice zwemmen is at the end. Second verb. Willen. It means want. Ik wil koffie drinken. I want to drink coffee. Drinken is at the very end. Let's look at the verb moeten. Moeten means must or have to. Ik moet nu werken. I must work now. Next verb, mogen. It means may. Mogen is used for permission. Mag ik hier zitten? May I sit here? Great! Let's try kunnen again. Hij kan Nederlands spreken. He can speak Dutch. Can you guess the next sentence? How do you say, we want to sleep? Think for a moment. The answer is, wij willen nu slapen. We want to sleep now. Notice, slapen goes to the end. Now, let's try moeten with you. How do you say, you must go? Here is the sentence. Je moet nu gaan. You must go now. Excellent work. Time for pattern drill. Drill 1. Want to eat. Ik wil een appel eten. I want to eat an apple. Drill 2. Can pay. Kan ik hier pinnen? Can I pay by card here? Drill 3. Must study. Zij moeten vandaag studeren. They must study today. Drill 4. May enter. Je mag hier binnenkomen. You may enter here. Can you guess this one? How to say, I can help. Here is the answer. Ik kan jou helpen. I can help you. Now, time for the error clinic. Beginners often make these mistakes. Mistake 1. Wrong verb order. Here is a wrong sentence. Ik wil drinken koffie. I want drink coffee. What went wrong here? Drinken must go to the end. Here is the correct sentence. Ik wil koffie drinken. I want to drink coffee. Mistake 2. Conjugating the second verb. Here is another wrong sentence. Hij kan, spreekt Nederlands. He can, speaks Dutch. Don't conjugate the second verb. Always keep the second verb whole. Here is the correct version. Hij kan Nederlands spreken. He can speak Dutch. Memory anchor time. Modal verb second, action verb last. Keep the action verb whole. Let's do a quick spoken recap. Vandaag leerden we. Kunnen is can. Mogen is may. Moeten is must. Willen is want. And action verbs go last. Heel goed gedaan. Very well done. See you next time.